Today's video, I'm going to take a look at a different variation of Tick Pulse. We're looking at this in NinjaTrader 8, and we're going to take a look at it on 1-minute charts in the NinjaTrader 8 platform. The NYSE Tick is calculated between different data feeds, and so sometimes the settings are different, but I want to show you how I've set this up. So the Tick Pulse version 3, if you have this license in NinjaTrader 7 and want to trade it in NinjaTrader 8, it is available now. Contact us and we'll send it to you. And we use the PTS of 0.25, the bull and bear value of plus and minus 50, and an L1 of 30. Stop loss and profit target are the same. And in this analysis, we're going to take a look at, we're going to require the price trade through the limit to report a fill. That means we're not filling the limit orders untouched. Typically, we've done this in NinjaTrader 7. We have the liberal fill with open, and this replaces that liberal fill open with open type by unchecking this. And it's the same as default in NinjaTrader 7, which requires price to trade through the limit. We are adding 1 tick of slippage. See, slippage is 1, and this is how this is set up. And I'm going to enable it and apply it, and then we're going to look at the performance results. So it is updated, and let's take a look at the results. Right click, strategy performance, historical. We pull that into the window. We're going back to 2006. Let's see when the first trade actually occurs though. If we go to executions, the first trade actually occurs on March the 3rd. That's the last trade. So let's take a look at the first trade. It is 2006, July the 19th, 2006 is when the first trade occurs. So about 10.5 years worth of data. And we're requiring the limit orders to trade through the price. And we have 1 tick of slippage, 2303 trades, 2272 average trade profit. A little better on the long side than the short side. Let's look at how this does on an annual basis. You see this equity curve? I like this equity curve since 2013. And you see it's at a pullback point. You see these dips in the equity curve? You have a dip right here, dip right here, dip right there. And so that's back to 2013, beginning of 2014. And you see the results. You have this nice equity curve here, nice equity curve here. Strategies can go sideways. And then those are the results. Let's take a look at the annual analysis. So we can take a look at yearly. And I want to maximize this a little bit so we can see the results. And you see let's move this down, 2017, minus 762.50. The net profit in 2016 was 73.25. 2015 is 5,800. 2014 is 44.37.50. This does not count commission. It takes out slippage and it requires a limit orders to trade through. But you see the average trade profit in 2014 is $24, $28 in 2015, and $32 in 2016. And so you can do an approximation of what your net profit would be by taking the total number of trades that you have and subtracting that from the total results. And you can see the total number of trades right here, 225. And so roughly $200. 200 trades times 5 is $1,000. So you can subtract $1,000 for commission in general per year. And see, you had a losing year in 2010. Some nice years in 2007. The average trade profit was much higher, 40 and 51. We know what happened in 2007 and 2008. See $10,000 there, $15,000 there. You get more trades, 260 trades, 304 trades, and the financial crisis and the big sell-off. So this is a strategy you could trade. We designed this for 15-second charts, but if you want to trade them on 1-minute charts, you have the advantage of knowing how it's done well historically, as there's not as much data on 15-second charts. Um, and then you can take a look. You see the equity curve changes depending on whether you put it on yearly or daily. The resolution is yearly right here. And if we put it on daily, you can do that here. But you can find out more about Tick Pulse. I'm going to show you where you can do that. Go to my website, capstonetradingsystems.com. Under Automated Trading Systems, you go to Tick Pulse. You can scroll down. You can see the results. And these are based on 15-second charts. So this is the update and the results for trading it on 1-minute charts in NinjaTrader 8.